Hey, what is up, you guys? This is Rob, and it's time for another product overview, review, and install. So here's the thing, guys. You may have a car or truck, and you want to switch out those boring halogens for something a little bit nicer. Well, another company that makes some quality products are Auxito. Auxito does make some awesome lighting products for your car or truck. So this is actually an LED bulb to replace the boring halogens on the base model 4Runners. And I do definitely recommend looking into them, guys. Auxito does make a lot of nice products. I've been on their website, a lot of cool stuff there, guys. If you do want to buy anything from them, it doesn't matter what it's for, go ahead and use the coupon code ROBSAUTOS for a discount, guys. That is ROBSAUTOS for a discount. Again, no, this is going to be for the 4Runner that you're going to be seeing this product review for. So we're going to go ahead and first let's get to the unboxing. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and let's open up the Auxito LED lights. So remember, guys, these are for the 4Runner. These are 8,000 lumens per bulb for a combination of 16,000 lumens of power. These are also 6500K. So this will give a nice white. Let's go ahead and open these up. As you can see, they do include some extra gaskets and zip ties, which is always nice. And then here we go. Very nice LEDs. Very nice size, guys. These aren't too big or anything. These will definitely install no issues. Just plug and play, guys, nice and simple, very nice design. Do have the fan on the back, which is a feature I always enjoyed. Pretty cool, guys. So remember, if you guys want these similar LEDs or anything from Auxito, use the coupon code ROBSAUTOS and you will get a discount, guys. So that is ROBSAUTOS for a discount. So now let's go ahead and we're going to go through the install and show you guys how these look on the 4Runner. Alright, you guys, to switch out the high beams is really easy. So here are the high beams. Let's take that out. And bam, we have the bulb right here. So we're just going to go ahead and just going to press on this clip and pull. And it will take out the entire assembly. And now we're going to take our Auxito LEDs, go ahead and plug that in right here. There we go, snaps right in, nice and easy, guys. So now we're just going to go ahead and get this in there and twist. And there we go. Now it's in, so now let's go ahead and let's see how it looks. Alright, you guys, so let me show you guys how it looks. So remember, guys, on this side right here on the left, you're going to have the Auxito LED high beams and the stock high beams on the right. So let's go and let's turn them on. And look at that, guys. Those are some nice bright high beams right there. So you got the left and you got the right. As you can see, the right high beams definitely not as bright. It kind of just gets mixed up in the low beams. That looks really good, guys. Really, really bright high beams. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to install the other high beam. And then we're going to go ahead and see how it looks. Also worth mentioning, guys, that these are also the DRLs. So as you can see, DRLs have a nice white look. Actually pretty bright too. So remember, guys, it's essentially both the high beams and DRLs. Looks really good, guys. Alright, you guys, so we have the high beams on. As you can see, they do have a very, very far reach. Like, these high beams look great. They're just completely overpowering the halogens. That's definitely going to be the next thing that we replace. I can definitely recommend looking into these. So these are the Auxito high beams. Definitely worth checking them out. Nice piece of hardware. And once again, use the coupon code ROBSAUTOS if you want a discount, guys. And if you want to look this good when you're flashing people on the road. So with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.